Alright guys, today we are going to change the cabin filter for Toyota Crown Majesta. This one is 2007 Toyota Crown Majesta UZS186. Just open this one so you can see we got some dates from the previous owners, probably somewhere in Japan. They changed it with the Denso one. And now we're gonna change the one in Australia. So I've got the Ryco air filter, cabin filter, sorry. The code is RCA164P. Yep, in order to remove it, just open the glove box and then you will see the box right there. This is where the filter goes, and there's this small partition because you've got some space on the top as well. So let's take this one off, and I think just pull it quietly. Yep, so once it comes off from the bottom, you just slide to the left, sorry, to the right, and then it comes off, and then you can just take it out like this. And you can see there's two of these there, two clips around this side. So this one goes in first and then locks down at the bottom. So now we are here to remove this lid. I think we need to lift it up a bit and then it should come out. Yep, so we lift it up and looks like it's now okay to be released. Yep, so lift it up, pull this out, and that's it. Now what we need to do is need to pull this one out, and out comes the filter. There we go. That's the filter. So we got the new one in here, and this is the old one. Now the whole cartridge comes out, and then you just need to pull the old one out. This one looks really dirty. This one is I think Denso one. I think it was due for change. So yep, just that way in, and just make sure it's nicely secured. Yep, and here we go. Yep, looks perfect. Alright, now we are back in. So this plain side goes in, and this side remains out. And we're just gonna put this one in, slide it in slowly. And it also has instructions saying up anyway. So, yep, that's nicely gone in. And now what we need to do is we need to put this one back. Remember the clips go on the bottom side, and here we go. That's it. And then on the top, so top side first. That's it. It's secured. Now we need to put this thing back. So we slide it in the way we got it out. And now I think we gotta go this way in first. Yep, just making sure that it fits into the gaps. As you can see, around this side, and then once that's secured, put this the bottom side as well. So that's secured. Yep, all done.